Hi, good day everyone. I've got this surprise gift box from XiaoMi. They say they will send me a gift in regards to them reposting my YouTube video on the XiaoMi Pro trip to Singapore. They love the video and then they reposted it in their Facebook. So hence that's how this gift box came about. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So according to their mention, this should be a car wireless charger from XiaoMi. So yep, let's have a look at it. So it is a so-called XiaoMi wireless charger, and this is apparently the stand, the holder, right? So there are different versions of the holders. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. And well, we know it's a wireless charger, but I don't know how it looks like. This is the menu, which may or may not read. Wow, okay. Okay, this is how it looks like. It looks quite big. I didn't expect it to be this big, but okay. This is the grip. Wow, okay. That is rather cute. This is fun. Feels like a welcome grip. XiaoMi welcome grip to grip your phone. So when you put the weight here and it grips the phone. Okay, and that's the back part. There should be a link. Oh, okay, that's where the link is, the connector. And let's see what we have here. Okay, so normal micro USB charger. And that's it. Let's look at this. So okay, let me open up the lid. By the way, it says here complimentary, not for sale. So okay. Okay, another spring loader. Oh, this is for the, I presume, the aircon vent. This way you grip the aircon vents in your car. And that's the back part of this. I hope I got that right. Okay, yes, that's how it looks like. Okay, it's rather big, so it should be able to, okay, it's rather big, so it should be able to take the weight of a large handphone. And we shall try it in the car. Afterwards I'll bring the camera down to the car and do a test run. If your dashboard, the aircon vent is near your steering wheel or near your hand, you can reach the phones, so you don't need this longer neck, you can use this shorter. Okay, this is probably how it looks like. See, I'm doing the audio recording at the same time, and this is how it looks like. You put it in and then it just grabs there. Okay, I shall do it in the car and we shall have a look at this. Okay, as you can see, this probably would not work for my lens. Let's try again. Yep, it is a bit too far out. let's try the shorter holder and see. Okay, this is the shorter clip, and that's how it goes. Let's have a look whether it works better for my car. Yep. But it points down. It's good that the vents are actually cooling down the charger, because I'm pretty sure the charger gets hot when it's charging. Okay, but then again it will be blocking the aircon vent. Okay, it's charging, you can see here, and then you plug it in and then you should see if it's charging. So okay, you can see wirelessly charging and 34 minutes to full. So before I finish up, I would like to thank XiaoMi for sending me this surprise gift. Actually, it is this wireless car charger from XiaoMi, and the person Yumu was in contact with me, and he was the one who re-uploaded my videos in Facebook for XiaoMi, and I appreciate their hard work and coming out with gadgets for automotive market. These are affordable gadgets that I would say, you know, XiaoMi has been championing and coming out with quality products for that. And I would appreciate, and I would like to view more XiaoMi products in the future, and I will get them so that there will be more YouTube videos that I can make out of them. Okay, thank you very much to all, and to XiaoMi team, and you have done a great job, and thank you. See you.